Hi guys, okay, today we're going to be doing a review on the Venice Fling Bailey X Sarian Estate palette. Now, this is going to be a different review because I'm only doing my eyes. Now, you're like, Jasmine, you always only do your eyes in these videos. No, like I'm literally only doing my eyes and my eyebrows because I have to go to work after this and I can't wear full face makeup at work with the mask. It just doesn't work very well. So I'm literally only going to be doing my eyes and eyebrows. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Let me know what you guys think down below. But let's just jump right into it. I'm going to put my hair back, scoot you in close, and prime my eyes. Okay, eyes are primed, hair is back, and let's just jump right into it. I prime my eyes using my NYX White Eyeshadow Base. So this is the palette. I already did swatches in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. However, I will do another swatches. So this is what it looks like. You open it up, you got a giant mirror, and these are the shades. Let's do those swatches real quick. These are the shades. Absolutely stunning. I have an idea of what I want to do, but that is the palette. Okay, so we have the mirror and the shades again. Now, I'm going to take the shade Bonfire and apply that in the crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Rose Tattoo and deepen that up a little bit. And then just to deepen that up just a tiny bit, I'm going to take Toasty and apply that just very slightly, not blending it out much. So pretty. And then I'm going to take Roller Skates, which is that bright purple, and apply that in the outer part of my lid. I'm going to take it on a dry brush first and see how that works. I mean, it showed up, but I am going to wet it because it doesn't look like it's showing up as much as I would like. So I'm going to wet it just taking my In Beauty Project Dual Face Setting Mist. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is so much better. That shade is really, really pretty. Okay, now that that is put on the lower or the outer part of my lid, I'm going to take the shade Soul, which is the shade right here, and apply that in the inner part of my lid. Again, taking it dry and then going to see if I need to wet it. I mean, it showed up nicely. Let's wet it just to see though. Oh yeah, that is so much better. And then I'm just going to take the purple brush, the brush I used for the purple, and just blend the two shades together. Such a pretty shades. Okay, and then I'm going to real quick clean up under the eyes. Okay, so that's what we have going on. And then I'm going to do the under eyes real quick. Taking the shade... let's take Toasty and like stamp that on the lower lash. You know what? No, let's take Puppy Love and stamp that on the lower lash line. It is a shimmer, so I don't know how well this is going to work, but let's just try it. And then just to blend that out the tiniest bit, I'm going to take this shade, which is called Tan Lines. So pretty. And then I'm going to take the shade Ocean Avenue and try to put that under my brow bone and in my inner corner. Hopefully it's light enough. Ooh, it looks a little dark. We'll try it in my inner corner first. I mean, you can't really even see it. Yeah, you can barely see it in my inner corner. I will go in with something else. I wish they had a little bit of a lighter shade, like almost a light like champagne or like a peach silver. Something to kind of like highlight, but they really don't in here, which other than that, like yeah, that's way too dark for a highlighting shade. But other than that, I like this palette so far. I've never played with the State Cosmetics shadows before, and so far I actually really do like this. The only shade I didn't use was this one. And that's it. But other than that, I like this palette so far. Let me do my eyebrows real quick, apply some mascara and lashes, and maybe put a different color on my inner corner, and then I will come back and give you my
Okay guys, this
is the finished eye look. I have some thoughts. Now, I like this palette. The matte blended nicely. The only thing is this purple is not showing up on my eyes as vibrant as it is in the pan. And the shimmers, like the glitter and the shimmers are kind of falling out. Other than that, these blended amazing. They swatched nicely. The only shade I did not use is this one. All the others worked really, really nicely. As you can see, I really like this palette and I'm excited to continue to use it. So I really, really like this palette. Definitely think it's worth it. Let me tell you what I finished on my, put on my face. So for eyebrows, I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde along with my clear brow gel. And then for my waterline liner, I used my Benefit Highbrow. And then I did apply my Tarte Top Yacht Chrome Paint in the inner corner and under my brow bone. And then mascara, I mixed the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama with my Pat McGrath Fetish Labs mascara. And then for my face, what I put on before I put my mask on to go to work, I put on the Sunday Riley Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. And that just helps to keep my skin dry and help with minimal breakouts. And on my lips, I have my, not my Too Faced lip injection. It's in that bottle. It is the Mirror Mirror Pop the Bubbly Physicians Formula lipstick. But you guys, that is all. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. And thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And you guys can follow me on all my social media down below as well. I am on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!